to do one member of each troupe doing a 3-person scene, and it will be starting with a line of dialogue provided by the audience. So, may I have a line of dialogue that you would say to your dog when you're getting back from your 5-week vacation to Europe?
Put down that possum.
Put down that possum, thank you. So they're going to do a scene where the first line will be put down that possum. When that scene has kind of reached its natural moment of awesomeness, I'm going to ring the bell. And then the last line of that scene will be the first line of the next scene, which the next 3 people will play. Is everybody ready?
Ready?
Awesome. Put down that possum.
Hey, put down that possum.
Oh.
You got it.
I'm just trying to make us some dinner, Papa.
I was just helping her. How many times I was got to tell you all? It's the raccoons that just got to get first.
Oh, shucks.
You know what? I did put that down in my Palm Pilot. I said it. I was one now. Listen, dog. Listen, dog. Being that you got straight D's in school again, I'm just so proud of you.
Yeah, I know, Mama. I tried really hard this time because D means dandy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
D means dandy. D is for candy. Did I get it right? You did!
Let me tell you your prizes.
Oh, right? I don't hope
Daniel bread.
Oh, that's yours.
A used but newish car.
Mom!
And this Barbie doll with no head. Okay. Would you like me to show you your brand new, newish, used, newish car?
Would you like me to show you your brand newish kind of new used car?
Honey, you said you were going to buy me like a brand new car. That's why I'm with you.
Technically, I said a motorcycle.
Here is the key. Do you want it?
I want it.
Okay. Indecisive indecision, decisiveness.
I'm really good at that.
And you're gonna drive.
Okay, but you're going to pay, right?
Okay.
Well, you're gonna pay, right?
Oh,
Well, you can't bring me out for dinner at a place like this and just walk out on the guy.
Monsieur, please.
okay, hold on. Let me just put that piece of first.
Wait, what? Why not?
Yeah, I appreciate that.
I mean, label and.
The baggie in the back pocket from the buffet, please.
All right. Listen, what if we didn't take the doggy bags home?
What if we left the table?
Would we still have to pay?
Then do we have to pay if we left the table and the doggy bag?
If we regurgitated our food, would that solve the problem?
If we regurgitated our food, would that solve the problem?
I know where there's still people starving over there. How can you just come in here and eat all the babies?
You collected them to send, and we thought, well, these kind of looked
To send to the damn nursery. Oh my God! You know I did not learn how to read. Well, I guess if they're still intact in your bellies, then I guess if you throw them up, then it won't be as big of a problem. Okay, I don't have teeth, it's no problem.
Okay, I don't have teeth. It's no problem.
Kid, you made it. I enjoy a good rib, so I made it for you. And apparently, you need teeth. And you have no teeth.
no great ones for married. Oh, I'm still looking forward to that. Yeah.
Let's pick up.
She has got so many diamonds on her neck. She does.